Up in Mother Goose's book, up in the nursery, Simple Simon says, I'm feeling sad. Said Peter Piper's daughter, so am I think we oughta do something that'll make the kiddies glad. Smarty says, I think we'll have a party. And he called on the old woman in the shoe. Now the caddy brought his fiddle, and he played I diddle diddle. And what happened then, I'm gonna tell to you.
Little Jackie Hunter eating pipe in the corner, stuck in his thumb without a song. Little Missy Mama sitting on her trumpet, and she said, Yum, yum, won't you give me a song? A Georgia Porgy with his foot and by, he gives a Mary Queen a cherry, and he made her cry. Little Bo Peep lost her shit.